Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is climate. Chapter number 4, Geography, Climate. The previous chapter you studied about the drainage, river system, and its types. Now in these chapters we are discussing all about the climate, including weather, monsoon, precipitation, and etc. Let's we discuss one by one. This word is day-to-day life you are using the climate, but actually climate means what? Climate is a characteristic condition of the atmosphere near the earth's surface at the certain space on the earth. In other words, it refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area of long period of time, and it is the long term weather of that area which remains at least 30 to 40 years. Now the second term is that what is weather? Day-to-day life you are using this word weather, climate, conditions, and etc. But exact meaning of weather is that weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. The element of both weather and climates are same. It is the combination of temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind, cloudiness, and other atmospheric conditions at a specific time is known as the weather. Now see the monsoon, element of the climates. Monsoon, the word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word, that is Mausim, which means season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. The world is divided into number of climatic region. The climate of India is described as monsoon type. This type of climate is found in South and Southeast Asia, but there are regions variation in climatic conditions within the country. The two important elements are temperature and precipitation, often differ from place to place and season to season. Let's we move temperature in different time having the different region as well as day as well as night also. In our country, all state having the not same temperature or equal temperature, not only state wise but few place day having the different temperature and night having the different temperature. Let's we see the differences in temperature. In summer, the temperature in part of Rajasthan desert is 50 degrees Celsius and it is around 20 degree in Palgham in Jammu and Kashmir. Same time period. One part having the 50 degree and another state having the 20 degree in summer. These are the differences it is found in our country. On winter night temperature at Daras in Jammu and Kashmir may be less than minus 45 degree and Thiruvananthapuram it may be of 22 degree. In winter Jammu and Kashmir minus 45 degree and same time period Thiruvananthapuram 22 degree. These are the differences in temperature in different places. Not only place but also having the difference day and night also. See, in some of the places temperature between day and night having the differences. In the Thar desert, it rises to 50 degree Celsius in day. Day having the 50 degree Celsius and it drop down to near about 15 degrees Celsius in night. Thar desert day 50 and night 15 degrees Celsius. But in the Andaman and Nicobar island or in Kerala there is no much differences in day and night temperature. It is same day and night. These are the few characteristics of temperature in our country. It is found different place having the different temperature and day and night. The next element is precipitation. The precipitation varies in its form, type and amount and seasonal distribution. It is in the form of snowfall in the upper part of Himalaya. It rains over the rest of the country. The annual Precipitation. The annual precipitation varies from 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Most part of the country receives rainfall from June to September. But Tamil Nadu coast gets rain during October and November. Rainfall generally decreases from east to west in the northern plain. These variations have given rise to variety in lives of people, their food, clothes and houses. Just we take the revision. Now in introduction part of this chapter we discuss the meaning of climate, meaning of weather, monsoon, differences in temperature and precipitation. Now we will move vegetation. The point vegetation can affect both temperature and precipitation pattern in an area. Now see, this is a map. This shows that the precipitation on the different area, in the different area. This shows the color combinations. Different colors shows the different precipitation in different areas. This is a tropic region. Yellow color shows the less than 400 precipitations. Now we will move the next part, the effects or affecting factors of the climate. Will be discuss the next period. Thank you. God bless you.